What advice do you have, Tyler, for manufacturers that are listening to this podcast that are thinking, shit, my workforce is getting old.
Yeah.
I want to attract some more Tylers to my business.
Yep.
How do you recommend they do that?
I think the biggest thing is being open to change. I think there are definitely people and companies that aren't willing to embrace the change. They don't want to listen to the younger generation who's saying, we like instant gratification and everything is, simultaneous. Like it's instant. It happens. All the knowledge that we need is right at our fingertips. We think differently, and we know that we can use that to be better. And there's, I think, a lot of companies that don't necessarily want to hear what the younger guys have to say. And we might say 5 ideas and 4 of them might be bad. But the second you stop listening, you lose that person who was going to bring up that one good idea. So I think really just to maintain a younger workforce, you got to challenge them. I think I could speak for all of the young guys at Marion and say we all want to be challenged and we all want to do hard work and solve problems. And I think the companies who struggle with holding on to a younger workforce are the ones that are stuck in their ways and not willing to push those younger guys to do more and figure stuff out and problem solve.